Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of subscribing to the main music channel on YouTube using your PC. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open YouTube. Step 2. Click on the menu bar located at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the Explore section. Step 4. Select music from the list of options. Step 5. Once you are on the music page, find the main music channel you wish to subscribe to and click on the subscribe button. By following these steps, you can easily stay updated with the latest music releases, artist interviews, live performances, and much more from the main music channel on YouTube. Subscribing to this channel ensures that you never miss out on your favorite music content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive alerts whenever new videos are uploaded to the channel. This way, you'll always be in the loop and can enjoy your favorite music content as soon as it's released. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to subscribe to the main music channel on YouTube using your PC. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.